Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rock Band. First, connect your instrument controllers, like the guitar, drums, or microphone, to your gaming console. Next, navigate the main menu to select your preferred difficulty level, ranging from easy to expert to suit your skill. Finally, choose a song from the game's vast music library, which often includes hundreds of tracks across various genres, ensuring there is something for everyone to enjoy. For guitar and bass, your goal is to match the colored notes scrolling down the screen to the 5 corresponding fret buttons on your controller. You must also strum the strum bar precisely in time with the on-screen prompts. Successfully hitting a streak of notes builds your overdrive meter. Activate it by tilting your guitar controller upwards to earn significant bonus points and boost your score. When playing drums, you will hit the 4 colored drum pads, red, yellow, blue, and green, to match the notes scrolling down the screen. The orange notes require you to press the kick pedal, simulating a bass drum. Precision and maintaining a steady rhythm are crucial for building your score multiplier and achieving a 5-star performance, making every beat count towards your success. For vocalists, you will sing into the microphone, aiming to match the pitch and timing of the lyrics displayed on screen. A visual vocal guide helps you stay in tune and hit the right notes. Successfully matching the pitch and rhythm builds your score and contributes to the band's overall performance, allowing you to earn up to 100% on your vocal track.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.